It's Leanne and Jeff, Inspirada TV. Out here to show you a two-story right across from the park.
Yeah, let's take a look. So this is Aventura Park. Right here is the pool, and then there's soccer fields, baseball fields, a dog park, playground, tennis courts, everything out here. And the location could not be cooler, but I mean, super charming. And so imagine coffee in the morning, right off your balcony, checking out the park. Because if you get out early enough, the sun's going to be coming up over there. And then at night, Leanne said you have some wine out there, and no sun. No sun. All right, so take off your shoes.
Off.
Oh, I just love this window. So this one's only been on about
19 days.
Yeah, less than 3 weeks. So 9-foot ceilings.
This looks brand new.
And what year is this?
This was built in 2018. Very well taken care of property.
Yeah, some oversized 2.5-inch faux blinds. What faux?
Huh?
To block out light. So
goofball.
Okay, that's the outlets.
We'll find it.
So 42-inch maple uppers, stainless steel appliances, cool beveled glass backsplash. I really like this little island.
Yeah, this is really a great idea. Yeah. Refrigerator stays.
Nice looking granite.
Yeah, nice looking backsplash for sure. Recessed lighting.
Storage under the stairs. Doubles as your pantry. Oh, this is kind of cool. This little closet. I mean, this little cabinet.
Oh,
here.
that's kind of nice. Yeah.
Really made
That'd be great
use.
for keeping your keys.
Right.
So you wouldn't keep losing them.
Yes. Let's lower that. So a half bath?
Yeah. Garage, 2 cars.
So oversized 2-car garage.
Oh, it is. All completely finished.
Water heater. Yeah, so this would be the alley, the setup where you'd park in the alley. But the nice thing with being on Via Firenze is you have the parking right out front as well.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll come out to the outside after. Well, no, let's do it now. So super cozy. Could be enough room for a little dog run there.
Yeah. A little dining or, sofa situation, maybe even a little fire pit. Could make that work. Absolutely.
I like this curved banister too. That's a nice,
cool.
Nice little touch. So, as always, this is when we ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. I would say that we are out here all the time doing this, although we did slack off for about a month. But man,
life's been busy.
We've been very fortunate to be busy. So, and this is some of my favorite carpet, personally.
Yeah.
Cool textured.
I love a window in the closet.
Yeah, so a walk-in closet here on this bedroom.
I like that. I love the doors even.
Yeah, it has the upgraded two panel doors.
Is the exact same.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
I love these rectangular windows.
I know. So cool. Storage.
This is nice. So dual vanities, which is nice. I'm not sure if this was a KB or not, but
it doesn't say on the listing.
May have been Beezer.
Oh, nice big
little
laundry
nook.
room. Really like that.
All right, washer and dryer stay.
Yes.
Yeah, nice Samsung. All right, so this is the primary.
Closet.
Oh, this is a nice size walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Especially if you were to add some built-ins. I think everyone would be pretty happy with that. And jump out to that balcony.
Yeah, definitely. I love all the mature trees and stuff in this area too. It's really pretty. Makes it nice and shady.
I mean, you're right here on Via Firenze. The energy, the vibe of being in Inspirada. I mean, yeah, we live here, but we've been filming for a year before we moved out here. And we fell in love with it by doing all of these videos for everyone. So yeah, it's not lip service when we say that we love Inspirada.
Yeah, we love it.
Do.
We love living out here. It's amazing.
3/4 shower, separate water closet, dual sinks. And as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. This property is priced at just under $500,000. If you are a first-time home buyer, Leanne and I just finished a book called Roadmap to Your First Home. It's available on Amazon, but if you'd like a free copy, go to roadmap.vegas and we'll send you one. And if you want to see this home or any other, just reach out to us. Obviously, we're always out here, so we appreciate you watching.